The power of consistency success is not built in a single day. It is the result of small actions repeated over time. This simple but powerful idea is known as consistency. Consistency means doing the right things regularly, even when we do not feel motivated. It is one of the most important qualities that can help a person achieve success in every area of life, including education, career, health, and personal growth. Many people believe that talent or intelligence is the key to success. While these qualities are helpful, they are not enough without consistent effort. A talented student who studies only once in a while may perform worse than an average student who studies every day. Similarly, an athlete who trains regularly will often outperform someone with natural ability but poor discipline. This shows that consistency is often more valuable than talent. One of the greatest benefits of consistency is that it helps us build good habits. Habits shape our daily lives and determine our future. Reading a few pages of a book every day may seem like a small task, but after a year, it can lead to finishing many books and gaining valuable knowledge. Saving a small amount of money every month may not seem impressive, but over time it can grow into significant savings. Small actions, when repeated consistently, create remarkable results. Consistency also teaches discipline. There are many days when we do not feel motivated to work, study, or exercise. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps us moving forward. Consistent people do not wait for the perfect moment. They complete their tasks because they understand that every small step brings them closer to their goals. This mindset helps them overcome challenges and remain focused even during difficult times. Another important advantage of consistency is continuous improvement. Every time we practice a skill, we become slightly better than before. A musician becomes skilled by practicing daily. A writer improves by writing regularly. A language learner becomes fluent by speaking and reading every day. Improvement may not be visible immediately, but with patience and consistency, progress becomes clear. This process proves that success is a journey rather than a single event. History provides many examples of the power of consistency. Inventors, scientists, athletes, and successful entrepreneurs all achieved greatness through years of dedicated effort. Thomas Edison conducted thousands of experiments before inventing the practical electric light bulb. His persistence and consistent work taught the world that failure is simply a step toward success. Similarly, successful athletes spend countless hours training every day before winning medals or championships. Consistency is also important for maintaining good physical and mental health. Exercising for just 30 minutes every day is more effective than working out intensely once a month. Eating healthy meals regularly, sleeping on time, and practicing meditation can greatly improve overall well-being. These small daily choices protect our health and increase our energy for future challenges. In today's fast-paced world, many people expect quick results. Social media often shows overnight success stories, but behind every success lies years of consistent hard work. We should not compare our beginning with someone else's achievements. Instead, we should focus on improving ourselves every day. Patience and persistence are essential partners of consistency. Developing consistency is not always easy. Distractions, laziness, and fear of failure can interrupt our progress. However, setting clear goals, creating a daily routine, and celebrating small achievements can help us stay committed. Even if we miss a day, we should never give up. The key is to return to our routine and continue moving forward. In conclusion, consistency is one of the strongest foundations of success. It transforms ordinary efforts into extraordinary achievements through patience, discipline, and determination. Whether our dream is to become a doctor, an engineer, an artist, an entrepreneur, or simply a better person, consistency is the bridge that connects our goals with reality. By taking small but steady steps every day, we can achieve great things and build a successful, meaningful, and fulfilling life.